Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your WooCommerce store with the Google Sheets. If someone makes a purchase on your WooCommerce store, you can send all the data in the Google Sheets, and using that data, you can create a dashboard on Google Sheets. So if you do not want to share the WordPress dashboard with all the departments or all the employees in your company, you can send all the data in the Google Sheet and you can share the Google Sheet with different departments in your company. And you can also create visual representation using charts and other tools in Google Sheets dashboard. So let me show you an example. Here I have a WooCommerce website and I'm going to make a purchase, and I'll show you how it is sending the data to the Google Sheet. So let's go to the products. I'm going to make a purchase here. Let's add this product to the cart and let's go to checkout. So we have one product in the cart and all the data is filled up here, the first name, last name, and the address, phone number, email address, everything is filled up. And these are the payment gateways. We have cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal, Razorpay. This is just a demo website, so I'm going to select cash on delivery and I'm going to place the order. All right, so this is the product, printed dark blue t-shirt, and the price is $20. Now let's go to the Google Sheet that I have linked with this WooCommerce website, and you will see that the order is updated in the Google Sheet. This is the first name, last name, the phone number, email address, city, state, pin code, and this is the product. You will see the product here, printed dark blue t-shirt, and the price and the payment method is also there. So this is not all the data. There are many different parameters and data that you can send in the Google Sheet from the WooCommerce store. Here, to connect the WooCommerce website and send all the data in the Google Sheets, I have used SureTriggers tool. This is all-in-one automation platform for WordPress website. I have created many videos on how to use the SureTriggers, how you can automate the WooCommerce website using SureTriggers, how to connect multiple WooCommerce website with each other, how to send WooCommerce order notification on WhatsApp, and how to connect the WordPress contact form with Google Sheets. If you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the link in the description box. First, you will need to create an account on SureTriggers. You can start with the free account. Here you will see the pricing of SureTriggers. The basic account is free, in which you will get 1000 tasks per month. You can create up to 5 workflows and you can integrate more than 500 apps with each other. It's not only for the WordPress or WooCommerce. You can integrate many apps with each other. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to create a free account, use my link in the description box. The other plan is $9 per month, in which you will get 5000 tasks per month. You can create unlimited workflows. You can connect up to 5 WordPress websites. Again, you can integrate 500 plus apps. You can also use premium apps such as Formatter, Delay, Schedule, Filters, Conditions, Loops. And the next option is Business Plan, which is going to cost you $19 per month, in which you will get 10,000 tasks per month. And you can connect unlimited WordPress website, unlimited workflows, 500 plus apps integration is also available. This is the annual billing. If you go to monthly, the Pro plan will cost you $12 per month and the business plan will cost you $24 per month. If you want, you can also go for lifetime. The Pro plan will cost you only $399 for the lifetime, and in that you will get 5000 tasks per month. So if you want to try it, you can start with the free plan. Use my link in the description box to create a free account on SureTriggers. So let's see how we can connect your WooCommerce website with the Google Sheets.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and I have WooCommerce installed on this website. I have already installed SureTriggers plugin on this WordPress website. If you have not installed the SureTriggers plugin on the WordPress website, first you will need to create an account on SureTriggers. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to this website and create an account on SureTriggers. So if you want to try it, you can start with the free trial. Once you create an account on SureTriggers, you can install SureTriggers plugin on the WordPress website. Here I have one demo website. I'll show you how you can install the SureTriggers plugin. On your WordPress website, go to plugins and then click on add new plugin. And here search for SureTriggers. So this is the plugin. SureTriggers connect all your plugins, apps, tools and automate everything. Click on install now and click on activate. Now you need to connect your SureTriggers account with the WordPress website. So it will ask you to connect your WordPress website with the SureTriggers account. So you can click on get started now and it will ask you to log into your SureTriggers account, or if you do not have an account, you will need to create an account. I'll suggest you to create an account on SureTriggers first, then install the plugin on the WordPress website and then connect your WordPress website with the SureTriggers account. I have already installed the plugin and it is connected. Now we are going to create a new workflow in which when someone makes a purchase on your WooCommerce website, it is going to store the data in the Google Sheets. So it is going to send the data to the Google Sheets. Now here I have opened the SureTriggers dashboard. This is the dashboard. And these are the workflows. In previous videos, I have created some different workflows, how to send the contact form data to Google Sheet, how to send WhatsApp message when someone makes a purchase on the WooCommerce website. All right, now let's go to apps. When you install the SureTriggers plugin on the WordPress website, you will see that these connections are already made. If you have WooCommerce on your WordPress website, it is going to be connected automatically. Then BBPress and SureCards, all these plugins which are already installed on your WordPress website will get connected in SureTriggers app automatically. I have already connected Google Sheets here and the WhatsApp Cloud API is also connected. Now let's go to workflows and create a new workflow. So click on new workflow. We are going to create a new workflow and just name it as WooCommerce. So we are going to send the data to Google Sheets. Click on start building. And first we need to add a trigger. The trigger will be the WooCommerce. Here you will see different options. Search for WooCommerce. We have WooCommerce plugin installed, so I'm going to select that option and it will ask you to select an event when you want to trigger this workflow. Click on the drop down, you will see all these triggers available. When any product from that category is purchased, product viewed, order paid, order created, product reviewed. If someone reviews your product, you can create a workflow for that. Product added to cart, then order status changed, customer created, product purchased, order note added. So in this case, we are going to select product purchased. So whenever someone makes a purchase on your WooCommerce website, it is going to trigger this workflow. Now it will ask you to select connection. In my SureTriggers account, I have two WordPress websites linked and I'm going to select this WordPress website. So this is the WordPress website that I want. So I'm going to select it. If you have multiple WordPress websites, it will show the list of all the websites here. Then it will ask you to select product. If you want to create a workflow for any product purchased, you can select any product, or you will see the list of products you have on your WordPress website, or you can search for the product. In this case, I'm going to select any product. Now it is asking you to test the connection and data. So I'm going to click on fetch the data and all this data will be fetched. Product ID, status, currency, first name, last name, and the billing data, everything will be shown here. All right, so we will see how we can get the data. So all the data is fetched. Right now click on save. So we have created a trigger action. Now we need to send the data to Google Sheet. Before sending the data, I need to create a Google Sheet in my Google Drive. So I'll go to Google Drive. I'm logged into the Google Drive. Now click on create new and I want to create new Google Sheets. So click on Google Sheets and I'm going to change the name, order data. So this is the name of this worksheet and I'm going to add some fields here. Let's say first name, then last name, email address, phone, address, city, state. Then we can have pin code, or you can say postal code or zip code. Then product category, product name, total price. If there is any discount, we can add discount also. So these are the fields. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's see which other fields that we can use. Go to the fetch data and see what other data that we can collect in Google Sheet. You can also add country here. So I'm going to add country. If you have multiple payment gateway, you can add payment gateway also. It will show the payment gateway used to place the order. All right, so all these fields are added here. I'm going to make them bold. You can later customize it. You can freeze the first row if you need. All right, so this is the WooCommerce order data sheet. Now let's go back to the website. Let's save it as it is. Now we need to take an action. We need to create an action. So click on this plus button and look for the action. The action will be Google Sheet. So we are going to send the data to Google Sheet. So select Google Sheets. Now select an event. What do you want? You want to add a new row. So select add new row in this Google Sheet. All right, and select connection. I already have one Google account linked to the SureTriggers. If you do not have it, you can simply click on create new connection and it will ask you to select one of your Google accounts. You can select your Google account where you have that WooCommerce Google Sheet created. Select the same account and allow SureTriggers to access the Google Sheets. It will ask you for the permissions. Just allow the permission and your Google account will be linked with the SureTriggers. All right, now I already have it, so I'm going to select that account here and it will ask you to select the spreadsheet. If you have multiple spreadsheets, it will give you the list of all the spreadsheets. You need to select the required one. So we have this one here, WooCommerce order data. I have selected this one and it will ask you to select the sheet also. You can select the sheet one. You will see it here. This is the sheet one. You can add multiple sheets and it will show the list of all the sheets and you can select the required one. All right, so we have selected the sheet. Then it will ask you to select or map the columns that you have here on your Google Sheet. You have first name, last name, email, phone, address, city. So we need to map these fields. So for the first name, select add, just enter add and look for name. And this is the first name of the user. Then for the last name, search for last user last name, enter @ sign and let's search for email. So this is the user email. Then look for phone. So this is the phone number, address. So this is the billing address. Then city, you can look for city, billing city, state. Then zip code. For the zip code, it shows postal code, I guess. So you can select the post code, country. So one by one, we are mapping all the fields that are here in the Google Sheet with the data fetched from the WooCommerce. Product category will be, just look for category. This is the category. Then product name. You will see product, you will see it here, product name. Then total price. Here you will see the total. You can select the total. If you have any discount, you can also look for discount. If there is any discount, it will show. And last will be payment method. So this is the payment method that we have. All right, so we have mapped these fields. If you want to add more fields, you can add more fields. Click on test action. All right, so everything looks good. There is no error. So let's click on save and let's click on publish. After that, if you want to add more actions, you can also add more action. If you want to send email, you can simply look for email and you can send the email. You can also link your Gmail account here and send the email through the Gmail. If you want to send WhatsApp notification, you can send the WhatsApp notification also. All right, now let's go back to the Google Sheet and you will see that one demo information is filled up here. That is from the previous order on the same website. Now I'm going to make a purchase and let's see how does this work. So let's go to the website. Let's add one product here. Let's try this one, add to cart. The price is $20. This is a demo website. Let's go back and let's go to checkout here. And you can see that I have already filled up the information in the checkout. All this information is there. This is just a dummy information, and currently I have cash on delivery and credit card and PayPal. So I'm going to use cash on delivery because this is a demo website, and click on place order. All right, so it says the order is successful. Let's go to the Google Sheets here, and you will see that the Google Sheet is updated. You will see all the information there: first name, last name, the email, phone number, address, city, state, pin code, country. This is the product category that I have selected, and this is the name of the product that we have purchased. You will see it here, green printed t-shirt into one, and you will see the name of the product. The total price is $20. There is no discount, and the payment method is cash on delivery. Once you send the data to the Google Sheet, you can share this Google Sheet with your marketing department or sales department or the department that handles all the orders. So this is how you can use the SureTriggers to send the WooCommerce data to the Google Sheet. So if you want to try it, you can start with the free account. Use my link in the description box and create a free account. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.